Yo, what is going on? I am finally up, not break even, but green for the month. And yeah, phase two going really well. The past few trades have been really good. I think I am on a five winning streaks, and yeah, it's doing really well. I'm up 1.5%, and we got 3.5% left, I think. Wait, 5% minus 1.5. 3.5? I'm not sure. Fake, dude. But anyways, here is my P&L for the month. It's crazy how we were able to recover it. And if you guys don't know, the app that I'm using for this, or the platform that I'm using for my overall monthly progress, this is TradeZella. But anyways, it's doing really great. This is my live account. We're on a drawdown still, like overall for the past year. I think we're still on the drawdown, but if you guys can see here on this graph, it was going pretty bad, like very bad. Especially the start of this month, I was like around $48 left on the account, and then recovered it slowly. And yeah, this is great. And it's honestly very surprising that I'm even talking here and saying that I'm up for the month, as well as on this one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. 6 overall trades. And yeah, this is amazing. I feel great. Although I am not feeling well physically because I feel sick. But yeah, overall, we are very up for the month, and potentially ending the month with green. Unless I tilt again and overtrade and gamble, then it would be a blown account. Which I'm not letting that happen. I'll try my best to like stay patient with everything. I'm currently on a trade on crypto. It's Solana. I've been really liking swing trades, and those are like mostly my setups recently. I'll try my best to keep this short, but as you guys can see, I'm on a trade. I had a position somewhere around this area. Let's see. A position around this area. Swinging this all the way over here. Obviously, I was gonna aim for this, but it never ended up going back to that level, and we kept rejecting. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna leave it at that, actually even higher. But I had 2 positions here, one on the live and one on this funded phase 2. But on my live, I entered a little bit right over here and closed and secured my profits around this area, just because I was satisfied with 1 to 2 risk to reward. Yeah, this one, bro, it's crazy how I'm slowly understanding where the market is going, and I'm just pretty much, I mean, not to say that I'm fully untouchable with losses. Obviously, there will come a time when I'll start losing, but I don't want to jinx myself into thinking I'll eventually lose for sure. But yeah, I've just been following the higher time frame trend along with the lower time frame trends, and aligning higher time frame to lower time frame. And pretty much, if the trend is not breaking any highs and it creates a new higher low, then that's a potential sell. And if we fail to break any lows and we're starting to create higher lows, then that's a potential buy. That's what I've been doing. We'll see how this trade goes, obviously, but that is what I have been doing, especially on a breakout as well. With gold, this is what I have. Good thing I did not close or clear out any of the trades that I took this week. This is from last week before the market ended, or before the market closed. Pretty much we failed to close above this area, failed to close above this, break this high, or even sweep a liquidity, and we ended up creating a higher low, which I ended up trying to enter. This is more of an intraday, just because we were rejecting this area right here and taking a small trade right over here. 1 to 2, the same thing over here. We reacted on this area. We failed once again to close around this area, or close above that area, and and so I entered a small trade before the market closed, and was kind of risky. But yeah, same thing on this. I was expecting this to go higher, but it never ended up going higher, and I saw that we were struggling to go higher. This was pretty much, I considered this a higher low, and I was just waiting for a confirmation that we would wanna go lower, which we did end up entering here with the volume. Obviously it went our way and then pushed up a little bit higher, breaking this previous high, like probably like sweeping liquidity, sweeping other sellers entering the market, and then continuing lower. Yeah, I ended up waking up with this W, which is great. But yeah, those are my trades basically. It's been great, and this doesn't mean that I'm fully confident and I'm gonna start buying challenges just because I'm seeing great progress. I'm almost break even overall with my live account, but yeah, I'm slowly starting to see really big progress in my journey, and I'm loving it so far. But yeah, I don't want to be complacent. I just want to keep focusing on the trades that I take, like the setups that I look for, and making sure that I enter. Although there is a fear of me entering those trades, especially A plus setup, because I have who likes losing? No one, right? So yeah, I guess that's it. I want to keep this short. I know it's been 9 minutes already, 10 minutes. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will update you guys on this, and yeah.